Like most people, you're probably experiencing large volumes of applications for single jobs, as many as 400 perhaps for a single vacancy, which becomes unmanageable. PeopleMaps has a unique approach to solving this problem and helping that whole process become much more manageable. And we've got two ways of doing that. The first is what we call personality benchmarking. We have covered this in a separate video, but simply put, you create a personality benchmark, you have every applicant complete the personality questionnaire, and you then compare the new applicants with your benchmark, and that is your shortlist. So if you start with 400 on personality alone, you may end up with a list of only 100. And the next thing that we have now added is what we call deal breaker questions. And this is how it looks. This is not a full application form. What we're looking at are the deal breaker questions. So in our example here, do you have a driving license? If this is critical to the job role, then the candidate must answer yes. And all the questions are simple yes, no answers. So you must construct the questions, you write the questions, but you must construct them so that they can be answered yes or no. And here's how it appears with the candidate. So when the candidate completes the personality questionnaire, which takes about 5 to 8 minutes, then they're faced with this short registration form and your deal breaker questions appear here. And remember that PeopleMaps, all the reports are free, so you can have every applicant complete the personality questionnaire. If they've ticked yes on all your questions, then they will appear in the view candidate. So when you go to view reports, they will actually appear in the list. If they've ticked no, then they won't appear. They will still be in your system and you can still find those details should you wish, but it makes your list much more manageable. So it's now gone from 400 to perhaps 100 on personality benchmarking, and from 100 to perhaps 50 based on the answers you got for the deal breaker questions. And if we look at the report, I'll just show you how that appears in your. So when you view each candidate's report, then what you'll see at the top here is, first thing is the personality validation. So in this case, the candidate is given it 5 stars, so they agree with the statements that we provided, so they're concurring that this report is an accurate reflection of them. And of course, they've answered yes, and here's the questions they have answered yes to. And then their personality report goes on underneath. So that's deal breaker questions, and that's how you save yourself days and weeks of candidate processing by getting to the heart of the matter in a matter of clicks. Thanks for watching.